Welcome to Discover English Academy video. I'm Yelda, and today I want to teach you some useful expressions and vocabulary that you can use whenever you're giving directions or you're asking for directions. How many times it happened to you that you were asking for directions and you wanted to ask for directions. You were looking for a place, but you couldn't ask because you didn't know how to. Or somebody asked you for directions, but you didn't know how to tell them, actually just like reach to the place and just like how to get to the place. And so you were trying so hard to say, oh, sorry, I don't know how to say that. Now, today I want to teach you some useful vocabularies that it helps you to give directions. And if you need and you're looking for the address, so you can ask people if you don't have a map. Okay? The general question that you can ask for the first step, so you can say, can you tell me how to get to the post office? Okay, so you can just like change it with, for example, the other name. Get to the mall, for example, or to the bank, to the hospital, okay? So can you tell me how to get to the post office? This is one way, the first step, so whenever you're asking for directions. Or can you tell me where the post office is? Look at the form of the sentence. Can you tell me where the post office is? You have to put is here. So we call it embedded question or indirect question, right? So you don't have to say where is the post office. So you have to say where the post office is. So when you have one sentence or one question before your question, the second question, the second one, the form is not like question form anymore, okay? So like where the post office is. Okay, so can you tell me where the post office is? Or do you know where the post office is? Okay, so these are some just like different form that you can ask whenever you're asking for directions. Or if somebody asks you this question and you didn't know, okay, so you didn't know just like how to answer to this question, so you can just say, I'm sorry, I don't know, or I'm afraid not, right? I'm afraid I don't know how to get there. I'm afraid I can't. These are some answers that you can actually just like use, right? If they ask you for direction and you don't know how to get to the place. And the other one is, what is the easiest or quickest way to the bank? Again, so you can change this, the bank with post office, with hospital, or whatever you're just like looking for. What is the easiest way or quickest way to the bank, right? Okay, so you want to just know that. Okay, so how you can just like get there as fast as you can. Now I want to teach you some common verbs used whenever you're giving directions. So you can say go plus direction, like right, left, down, up, through, or straight. So you can say go straight, or go right, or go to your left, okay? Take plus road name. Look at the example here. Go to the right, then take the number 1 road, okay? So take plus the name of the road, right? Take the number 1 road. Or you can say turn plus right or left. So, or stay on 5th Avenue for 2 kilometers. So it means just like stay on plus the road name or plus distance or time. So you can say stay on 5th Avenue for 2 kilometers or stay on 5th Avenue for 5 minutes. Then turn right or turn left. The other thing that you can say, for example, it's about 2 or 3 blocks. So what does it mean whenever we say it's about 2 or 3 blocks? Just imagine I ask you, excuse me, do you know where the hospital is? So you say you have to go straight on Main Street. Here is Main Street, imagine. You have to go straight on Main Street, and it's about 2 blocks right? So after 2 blocks, it's on your left, on the corner of First and Main. So you see, here is the corner, here is the hospital, here is the corner of Main and First that you can say. So you have to go straight ahead, go straight for 2 blocks, and then the hospital is on your left, on the corner of Main and First. And for the street, just remember, so you have to always use on the street. For example, on Marine Drive, on Main Street. Sometimes you can just, if somebody is just like walking, you can tell them how long it would take if they walk there, right? So you can say it's just a 5-minute walk, and then that person can expect how much time they have to just like walk, and then they can reach to the destination, okay? So just like giving the address and direction, so you can just ask transition words. By transition words, you can actually make longer sentences, okay? Look, for example, you can use after that, then, next, finally, okay? So look at the sentence, go straight ahead, then turn right and stay on the 5th Avenue for 2 blocks. After that, turn right and it's on your left side. Okay? So you can use transition words to make your sentence longer, right? Sometimes for giving the address, it's easier to use a landmark, right? For just like, for example, very specific building or a place, or for example, a movie theater or a big shopping mall. Okay, so just like everybody, for example, knows that place, and whenever you just like give the address, so you can use that landmark to help them find the place easier. Okay, for example, a white building on your left, even just like a place with a specific feature can help you, okay, to just like find a place. Okay, so just like imagine, so you're just like giving the directions and you use that landmark and it helps that person to find a place easier. Or beside the big shopping mall. Okay, so it means just like, so you go straight ahead. So on your left, you will see a big shopping mall, and pharmacy that you're looking for is right beside the big shopping mall. Shopping mall can be a landmark. Okay. Or between the hospital and the bank, between, imagine that's the hospital and that's the bank, and here is between the hospital and the bank. And so you can say it's very easy to find, right? So you can say you can't miss it because it's very obvious. So you can see that whenever you get there, you can see the shopping mall. So you can't miss it, or it's easy to find. And whenever you just like finish giving directions, you can tell that person, do you want me to repeat any of that? Right? So it means just like, is there any part that you didn't get and you want me to repeat that or not? Or just, did you catch all of that? So it means, did you understand every part of the direction that I told you? And if they did, if they understood, they can simply say, no, that's okay, I've got it. Or, yes, it's very clear, thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it was useful for you. Whenever you just like watch more videos, so you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel, the EA Education Center YouTube channel, and whenever we upload a video, you will be notified and you can watch it. Thank you again, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.